Hey guys, Linda Winter here from Winter Designs. So I have a giveaway and a sale. This is time sensitive, so make sure if you're interested in this, head to my website, head to my Facebook, and also pay attention to this thing here. You may want to take a snapshot of this, a screen capture of this, so you'll be able to get that information as you need it. I've got a cyber code, cyber25. It's my discount code. It gives you 25% off of everything on my website. That is only through Cyber Monday, so that's ending shortly. But I'm also doing a giveaway. Over here, I've got a little basket, and I've got some stuff that I'm going to be giving away to one person. How do you enter the giveaway? Two ways you can enter. You can like, comment, share on my Facebook page, tag your friends. That is gonna be really, really nice for me. So thank you if you do that. And then on my YouTube, subscribe to my channel, add a comment, give me a thumbs up. You know the drill, all that stuff that helps us little business owners kind of keep this stuff going. So if you don't know what I do, I make templates. These guys here, this is our no slip material. You can see how that grabs. So when you're sewing, if you cut straight, if you cut consistently, you can sew straight consistently. This guy here is my coffee cozy, and it's part of what I'm giving away in this bundle. This is a coffee cozy. I'm going to give you the kit to make this little guy here. I'm not going to give you this one, but I'll give you the kit that you need to make this. And I'm going to give you a whole bunch of other stuff too. But if you're not familiar with this no slip, when I go to cut, instead of using a paper template or acrylic that moves on you, whoops, we're going to simply cut, turn this as I go, and you can see how that gives me consistent cutting. Now, if I were really doing this to make this, I would do 2 layers at the same time. So not 2 of what I have here. I have 2 layers here, but I would do 2 sets of the top and of the bottom. You can see this is the back side, this is the front side. I would do 2 sets of this so that I could go ahead and cut 2 out at a time. If you've got straight edges on the templates, you can cut up to 6 or 8 layers too, which is pretty cool. Okay, so this is part of the giveaway. What else am I giving you? Well, it kind of started with this little guy, this gnome. I have a gnome template. We'll look at him later, but when we look at the basket, you'll see it's kind of Christmassy themed, gnome themed, but there's a whole bunch of goodies. So just remember this guy as we get started with all of this. I'm going to give you a gnome, so if you don't want to make one, you've got a gnome, you've got another gnome. These aren't gnome ears, they're elf ears, but gnomes and elves are kind of similar, so I'm going to give you one of these guys here. I've got a stocking template that's adorable. I'm not giving you that, but I'm going to give you a stocking. But the stocking template is adorable, and I'll be doing a video on that with Martelli on our Facebook page this coming Tuesday, which is a whole lot of fun. If you're going to do coffee cozies, if you're going to make the gnomes, I've got a couple other templates in here too, then you may want to have some fabric that's Christmassy or not Christmassy related. So I've got fabrics that coordinate. The gnomes are adorable. These guys here, you can coordinate in whatever way you want, but these are about fat quarter size. They may be a little bit bigger, they may be a little bit smaller, but I'm going to give you those guys there. They would be really cute for this. And I'm going to give whoever wins this set too. So that guy in there. All right, so gnome for the holidays. You guys have seen that expression. You know, it's just a cute kind of thing. Little pom-pom to hang on to, whatever it is that you want. I love all of those dangles. Something to snack on. I got another gnome for you. You can use the pick and stick it in, but you can also take this off and use it for whatever it is you want. We've got this stuff in here. This is just some nice smelling stuff. If you want to stuff your little gnome and hang it in your closet or put it in your purse or put catnip. I don't have catnip in here, but the gnome is really great with catnip in there too. So let's pull this over. I've given you a pen. That one lights up. There's another pen in there somewhere too. If y'all are doing the crazy ugly sweater contest, here's a notepad for that. We've got some embellishments. So there's pom-pom, rickrack kind of stuff, the decoration. And then you can see these little guys here, these dangles you can put on. And there's lots of things you can put it on, but I'll tell you about those in a few minutes too. These would look really cute, by the way, on your coffee cozy. So imagine you've sewn these together. So we would sew these together, and before you stitch, you could put a layer on top of here or a layer on top of here, whatever it is you want. So there's enough in there to do quite a few projects. Another pin for you. I've got this little bin that's got all kinds of goodies. Can I get it from over here? So I slay Santa. Some napkins for you, some earrings, these guys here, a nice little smelling thing because we're doing the coffee cozy, coffee please, a little notepad. a little light up thing. And then this is the kit that makes this right here. And you can actually make several of these. So this guy here has everything you need to make this in there. So that kit comes in a cute little canister. If you're baking cookies, then you can do that as well. Do you see the tissues that I have here? The tissues are for my tissue holder. My tissue holder, this guy here, this set of templates, there's 2 templates, they make these little guys. If you haven't made these before, they're a really cute, quick gift. You're basically doing from the larger template, the lining, from the smaller template, the outside, and that lining becomes a faux binding. You can see here. And that just sticks right inside the little tissue. So I've given you 2 tissue holders. And if you watch my video, I'll show you how to do a box pleat if you want to, but you can just leave it straight as well. I've got a great video that'll walk you through that process, but I'm going to give you these templates. So whoever is my winner, I've got a little plate for you if you're going to put out whatever kind of goodies, or if you want to give somebody a gift card, put the gift card here, put some candy on top. The Coffee Cozy template you already saw. The Can Cozy, this is a new template that I have, and I made a bunch and we couldn't find any of them. What's nice about this is when you have a can that's straight up and down, not the angle, this allows you to adjust. And what's really cool about this too is I've found wider Velcro. If you use wider Velcro, you basically can cut a strip this way, or you can cut it whichever way you want. But if you cut wider Velcro, it allows you to put on a bigger cup or a bigger can, or a smaller cup or a smaller can. So that gives you enough there to make at least 2, maybe more. So the Can Cozy is really cool. I have pictures of it on my website, so you can go look at those. And a Christmas tree. So I pulled this guy out. So let's take a look. Remember the gnomes? So this is my gnome kit. I'm going to put this on my website. So if anybody loves the idea of this, I'll have this kit on my website. So it'll come in a little container like this, and you get all kinds of goodies. The goodies might be a little bit different. So there's embellishments. So there's stuff you can add on the gnome if you want to, but you can also just add it for decoration. So imagine him with this around here or whatever it is. So there's some cool stuff in there. You can also make a gnome and put a little bow on there, stick a bow on it. So I put bows in there for you as well. A little gnome tag. So if you're going to make these and give away, another gnome that if you don't want to make them, there's a gnome for you to give away too. All of these things here are used for embellishment. Some of them for the nose. These pom-poms, you can go in and kind of color them with some of your makeup, a peachy color or a pink color or whatever for the nose if you want to. But I've given you several noses there as well. Jingle bells, if you want to hang a little jingle bell on the top and have this kind of go like that. There's some stars, some snowflakes. There's some poinsettias. All of those things are for embellishments. Imagine any of those on top here. And then there's some ribbon for you to tie. So you can make it for a little tie like this if you want to or not. If you crochet or knit, here's some eyelash yarn, and you could eyelash yarn crochet a beard for you. Or you say, that's not for me. Well, I've given you fur in a couple different colors. When you cut with fur, you use scissors and you cut on the back side. Let's take a look at the templates. This is a template set. There's 2 pieces. This is what you're going to use to cut that beard. So you can trace this out on the back side and then use your scissors to cut around. This template here makes this on the back and this on the front, this piece here. And you'll just stuff it. Well, guess what I've given you too? A bag of stuffing to make a bunch of these. So this little guy here, we've got on the front side some flannel or whatever kind of fabric and felt on the back. So not only have I given you beard stuff, here's some beard stuff there too, but I've also given you fabric for the front. There's several different options for you there, and I've given you flannel on the back. Okay, so all of this stuff that you see spread out on my table here, this mess, it's going to go back in a nice little bin here. I'll get it nicely put together, and I'll organize it, and I'll ship it away to one lucky person. That's my winner. So how do you enter? Let's go back to that really quickly. This ends a little bit more than a week from where I'm posting it. So on the 7th. Oh, and actually that is 12/7/21. Sorry about that. So December 7th, it's a little late for that now. So December 7th at midnight, basically Central Time. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Linda Videos. Add a comment, give me a thumbs up, all that stuff there. You can also go to my Facebook page. If you don't do Facebook, then do my YouTube. If you do Facebook, then my Winter Designs for Sewing and Quilting, or you can go right to it. Linda Winter Designs is my YouTube or my Facebook. So you can go to the Facebook page, like, comment, share, tag, all of that stuff. The sale that I have going on right now, it ends this coming Monday, which is November. So November 29th at midnight Central Time. I've got a coupon code. You have to use the coupon code to take advantage. It's Cyber25. And I already have items on sale, and I already have discounts for you through bundles. So take advantage of that. I'll do my best to get everything shipped out as soon as the orders come in. If you have any questions, you can contact me through email or phone, or right here on the YouTube channel, add a comment, or on my Facebook page. You can also message me there or just add a comment. You'll see a post for this on my Facebook page too, so you're welcome to add a comment there. Good luck. I hope this is something that you might be excited to get. And remember, this little kit with all of the Gnome stuff, all the templates, all the extra stuff, I'm going to have on my website as well for sale. So I hope this is something you enjoy, and I hope you win. Thanks for watching. Bye.